Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Science with Yash. Firstly, I want to thank you all for your patience during my recent break. I had to step away for a bit due to some personal reason, but I'm back now and excited to get back to creating the content for you all. And for those who are new here or need a quick refresher, we have been diving into the basics of Python and then started tackling some common interview questions based on Python, which is a crucial skill set for anyone who is looking to break into data science. So, starting today, we'll be resuming our series on interview based questions with Python. And in today's session, I'm going to discuss a popular interview question, which is a reversing of a given number. So, let's jump into the code. Just a second. So, we start off by taking the input from the user. This function asks the user to enter a number, and this int, what it does is it explicitly converts the input from the string into the integer. It converts the input from a string to an integer, and this particular number is stored in this variable n. Clear? And next comes, we have initialized a variable rev, which typically represents the reverse of a number, and this variable will hold the reversed number as we build it. And next is, well, n not equals to 0, so we then enter into this while loop, which will run as long as the n is not equals to 0. So this loop is the key to extracting and reversing the digits of the number. And if this particular number is satisfying this condition, it will enter into this while loop, the body of the while loop. So here r equals to n percentage 10 calculates the remainder when this particular n is divided by 10. This gives us the last digit of the number, and this is stored in a variable called r. And then we update this reverse, that is rev, by multiplying the current value we have 0, and we are multiplying the current value with 10, and then we are adding the remainder that we are getting here. Clear? And next step, n equals to n double dash is nothing but the floor division 10. This removes the last digit from n and effectively moving us one digit to the left in the original number. I know this seems to be a bit confusing now. Let us try understanding it even more clearly. So we have n equals to int input enter a given number. Let us take an example. Basically, reversing of number is nothing but, like, let's say you have a number 1 2 3 and you reverse this number as 3 2 1. Clear? So let us try the same example. So n equals to int input enter the given number. Let's say the user has entered 1 2 3, which is initially in string, and then this int, this forcefully converts this particular string into number. So now this particular variable n is holding, so this particular variable n is holding 123. Clear? So at initial stage we are defining reverse holds the value 0. Next, first step, so, or let me write here, first step, while n not equals to 0. So right now we have the value of n as 123 is not equals to 0. This is true, so this will go inside the body of the while loop. So we have initialized another variable r which calculates n percentage 10. This means 123 modulus 10. So we are getting a remainder of 3. So right now we have the value of r as 3. So this is basically giving us the last digit of the number that we entered. So next, so we are now trying to update the reverse. REV equals to the current value of REV we have as 0. So 0 into 10 plus R we have it as 3. So reverse value also we have as 3. And next, N equals to 123 floor division 10. This gives us the quotient, that is 12. Typically we have removed the last number, the last digit now, and we are moving towards the left side of the number that we entered. Clear? So right now the value of N is 12 and R value, sorry, reverse REV temporarily it is 3. So next it again goes to this while loop, right? So in second step we have, for the sake of simplicity I'm just skipping writing while and all. So we have 12 not equals to 0. This is also true, right? So it will go inside the while loop. R equals to, right now we have 12 percentage 10, and this gives us the reminder as 2, and then we update rev equals to, so at this step we have the value of rev as 3. So 3 into 10 plus the remainder, that is 2. So we have 32. Clear? And then updating again the n. So 12 floor division 10 gives us the quotient as 1. So 10 ones are 10 and we have remainder 2. Quotient is 1, right? So 1. Clear? So this is the second step. In the second step, at the end of the second step, we have the REV stored as 32 and N is stored as 1. It again travels through this, through this while loop, because this will continue as long as N is not equals to 0. So right now we have the value of N as 1 and REV as 32. So third step, 1 not equals to 0 is true again. So R equals to 1 percentage 10, which is nothing but remainder as 1. You see, we have 10 zeros are 0 and remainder will be getting it as 1. Yeah, and then we try to update REV. So we are having the value of REV as 32. So 32 into 10 plus remainder as 1 plus R basically. Clear? So N equals to N floor division. N is nothing but 1 floor division 10. So the quotient is right now 0. Clear? So right now we got the value as 0. So 0 not equals to 0 in the fourth step, is it gonna iterate? Definitely not. Fourth step, 0 not equals to 0. This is false, right? So what it happens, it will come out of the loop and it tries to print here. So the reverse of a given number is REV. REV we have a value of 32 into 10 is nothing but 320 plus 1, 321. Clear? I hope this concept is clear. We'll also be checking the same with Python code. So let us try to input the same number. So 123, and then you can check the reverse of the given number is 32. 1. Clear? So, and that's it. We have successfully reversed the given number using Python. So if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That is Data Science with Yash. And if you have any further questions or any particular program or any topic that you'd like me to cover, drop me the comment below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video